Oh my god, my hair is real big. I got attacked by my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Patrick's back there on his phone. He will not be in this video.
No, I'm not.
See? Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I got a Birchbox. And we're going to open it together. You can't see that because it's too bright outside. So let's going to open this together. Okay.
What?
Open it.
Oh.
Never mind, got it. That's so rude. You don't want to open it for me. Oh, is some more in here? So, this is what this month's box looks like. And I also got this Pixie by Petra palette along with it. Came in this little bag. This is what the palette looks like. Oh my god, the sun. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna try and open this box. Inside the box comes another box. Gave me a lot of boxes. And this is what this box looks like. And that's the back of it. It has their logo on it. And now we open the box. Oh no, the card's falling out. So inside we have a card. I'm not even going to read this out loud. I can't read out loud. I have a very bad speech impediment. So I'm going to just put this here. You guys can pause it if you would like to read it. And on the back it tells you all the products that you're going to be receiving and what they are. So the first product that I see is an Amika Nourishing Mask. The full size price of it is $28. And it says it's packed with sea buckthorn berry and jojoba oil. It's paraben free mask, intensive. I can't read. Okay, it says it's packed with sea buckthorn berry and jojoba oil. This paraben free mask intensely hydrates strands while repairing damage and sealing and fraying ends. So I believe this is for your hair. Yes, it's for your hair. It's an intense conditioning and repair for all hair types. So that's natural hair curls. This works. This works for us. See what it smells like. Grab the little seal. It smells like it'll clean your hair really good. Like it smells like a really good cleansing shampoo. Smells interesting. It doesn't stink. It smells good though. This next thing I see is an eyeliner. Let's see. It's the Lock Double Take Eyeliner. The full size price is $12. It says it's a versatile, long-lasting black eyeliner from Birchbox brand Lock or LOC. Not sure which is the correct pronunciation. And it says, for the bottom look, gently trace your lash line for a dramatic one. Smudge the line over the lid. Let's see. Is it a seal on it? Got it. It didn't have a seal, which is sweet. Okay, so it's like a little crayon. I guess you sharpen it when you want some more. This is no screw anything, so it's like a sharpening pencil crayon type thing. Definitely very deep. This is just from one little swipe and how color pigmented that came out. So the next thing I got is by Real Chemistry. It says it's a 3-minute pill, a luminous 3-minute pill. It says for instant smoother, brighter, softer skin. Oh my goodness. The full price for this is $48. And it says apply this acid-free pill to clean dry skin for luminous results. Massage in a circular motion to exfoliate and then wash skin with mild cleanser to completely remove. So this is what it looks like when you take it out the packaging. Let's smell it. It smells good. It smells really good. Put that back. Alright. The next thing we have is a Kula. Well, the brand name is Kula, not a Kula. It's a mineral sunscreen unscented matte tint. And it's a mineral BB cream. So it's in the specific color. Is my question. So the price for this for the full size is $36. And it's a mineral based BB cream that hydrates, even skin tone, protects from UV rays, and has a matte finish. Shake the bottle before using and smooth, then layer onto the skin. So I want to try this and see if it's going to match my skin tone, because I didn't shake it. I definitely didn't shake it, and I read shake it. That was way too much that I wanted to try, but right off the bat, it looks enormously light compared to my skin tone. So I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna do a comparison of both of my hands. This is the hand that I just put it on in this whole patchy area, and this is the other hand. So it did make my hand look a little bit lighter. Oh my gosh. Then this one. So yeah, it made my hand look lighter, but it did give it that matte finish like they said. Really? Really? But it did give it the matte finish like it said it was supposed to do. And it does feel really good. It feels really awesome on my skin. And the last thing in the box is this chlorine. Oh, that's the brand. That's the brand. It's called Chlorine, and it's a dry shampoo with oat milk. I've never really used this dry. I can't talk today. I've never really used, shut up! I never used a dry shampoo. So, I don't know how that's gonna work out with me. The full size price of this is $20. It is a volumizer, texturizer, waterless cleanser, and oil absorber. And I got it. I just thought it was so weird. What? Don't touch my food.
Food's ready.
Don't touch my food. No matter what you call this award-winning spray, it gives you endless options to do the perfect do. What? Why? He's so weird. Really? So you just...
Got my phone.
Okay, so that was everything that I received inside of this month's Birchbox. I might start doing a Birchbox unboxing every month when I get it. And this was all the products lined up right here. I am really okay, I'm really excited to try all these and see how they work for you. If you guys want to know anything about any of the products, you'll just leave that down below. Maybe I'll make a quick little video on each of the individual products and me trying them. Oh! I didn't show you guys palette. This is palette. It's wrapped up, but I figured out how to open it. I'm terrible with opening things. Ah! Okay. Boom. So, this palette's really nice. It's plastic, but it doesn't feel like the cheap plastic. It feels like that good plastic. It's very heavy. These colors are really pretty. So, these are the colors right here. And I'm going to do a little swatchy swatch for you guys. Wish you would say something else. Oh, the power went out.
This one did say that was happening.
That's why your thing wasn't charging.
Good thing I unplugged it. If I was gonna go for good. He said he can't even charge his phone.
That's not good. This is not good. I don't want to be stuck here with no power.
Exactly.
You got the wood, but still, I don't want to be stuck with no power. The struggles, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my little swatchy swatch. I'm gonna do this brown color first.
I had unplugged it.
Oh. They're like little sheer colors. This is the brown. They're trying to blow us up. Now I'm thinking about it. Trying to blow us up.
Why you say that?
Because you're glad you unplugged it.
No, I just don't need that like cutting on it off.
This is the burgundy-ish color. I like the color of this one. It looks nice. There's a lot of browns in here. This is that third color. I don't know how to describe that color. I'm just going in the row of the palette. Just going this way. This is the more matte brown shade. This is that pinky color all the way down at the bottom. And this is the last light brown color. They're very creamy. Shut up. They have a nice consistency to them. And the last shade down at the bottom
It's white. No?
No, it's a tannish color.
White.
Shut up. And that's all the colors. They're like very, very sheer eyeshadows. So if you're just looking for like a little light look, this will be a good palette. Or if you dampen your brush, it will intensify the color. But that was everything that I received in this month's Birchbox. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up and let me know, and I'll do more videos like this. What? What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
I didn't say anything. You long neck. Girl,
Turtle snapper.
your neck so long, look like a giraffe that broke his neck, girl.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. Maybe I'll do more. Found some more subscription boxes. Try those out for you guys. That was nasty. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you want to see us try other countries' food, let us know down below. And let us know where we can get these foods from. We'll do a video on it. Look at him in the back saying no. And we'll do a video on it, because that seems like it'll be really fun. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. I was trying to block you out.